People may have warned you that what you're doing isn't good for you. Friends or others might have said, it doesn't really matter, even if you do it every day. But have you ever stopped to think about where this vital energy, the core energy you lose, actually comes from? Here's how it works. The food you eat is digested, becomes blood, and only after about 64 to 72 days does it finally transform into vital energy. And yet, many people release it almost every day. The truth is, letting it out has both advantages and disadvantages. In this video, I'll walk you through both sides so you can make an informed choice about whether to continue or stop. But before we dive in, there's something important to understand. By sticking to unhealthy habits, you've already lost a lot of vital energy. The real question is, how do you restore it? Once you know how to rebuild what's been lost and undo the side effects, you'll see clearly whether your past actions were helping or harming you. There are only two reliable ways to recover lost energy. 1. Work hard and eat nutritious foods. Hard work can mean workouts, exercise, or even physical labor. Along with that, your diet must include foods that deeply nourish the body. If you eat meat, eggs, chicken, and fish are the best sources. If you're vegetarian, milk, ghee, clarified butter, puffed lotus seeds, and figs are excellent choices. But here's the key. Food only benefits you if your body can absorb it well. That means you must chew it thoroughly. The more you chew, the better it digests, and the easier it becomes for your body to convert that food into vital energy. 2. Strengthen your mind with meditation. Meditating for just 30 minutes a day can multiply your energy levels. But keep in mind, if you hold it too long, the pressure builds and your body releases it involuntarily at night, a process often called a nocturnal emission. If you release it too frequently, your body spends all its effort producing more energy, leaving little room for overall growth. As a result, mental development, physical growth, even muscle and height progress can slow down. That's why balance is the key. Train your body gradually to reduce frequency. First, skip every other day. Then stretch it to once a week. Eventually, extend it to once a month. Over time, your body adapts. This not only reduces nocturnal emissions, but also helps you conserve energy more effectively. With that stored energy, you'll experience faster growth, sharper focus, and stronger health. Alongside diet and meditation, here are two practical methods to help you retain energy. 1. Salt water. Foot soak. Before going to bed, soak your feet in warm water mixed with a little salt for 10-15 minutes. This relaxes the body, boosts circulation, strengthens the surrounding pelvic muscles, and reduces the likelihood of involuntary release at night. 2. Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises strengthen the pelvic muscles, giving you greater control over energy retention. They also build hip and leg strength, raise testosterone levels, and speed up the body's natural energy production, contributing to better muscle growth and overall development. Finally, avoid oily foods or full-fat milk right before bed. If you want to drink milk at night, have it at least 2 to 3 hours before sleeping. Otherwise, it puts pressure on the stomach, causes gas, and forces your body to release energy unnecessarily. So remember this. Your vital energy is one of the most valuable resources your body produces. Protect it, store it, and direct it wisely. Doing so will boost your health, sharpen your mind, and accelerate your growth. Share this knowledge with your friends so they understand how important it is to preserve their energy. And if you'd like to learn more, check out the other videos recommended on your screen.